Shopify POS. How you can get paid. Shopify Point of Sale lets you accept payments. Shopify POS is a platform that allows you to accept payment at any hour. You can also track inventory and sales in one location. And the best part, paying is simple. This video will explain how Shopify Point of Sale works so you can begin accepting payments and growing your business. Click the link below and one of our merchant specialists will be happy to get you situated for Shopify POS payment processing. That's it. You can now accept payments. How to accept payments with Shopify. Now that you have your POS system set up, it is time for payments to be accepted. Simply swipe or insert your credit or debit card into the reader. Once payment is completed, the receipt will immediately be emailed. It's that simple. Shopify Point of Sale offers a convenient way to accept payments from any device, anywhere. Shopify POS allows you to manage all of your inventory, sales, and other information from one location. Setup and acceptance of payments are easy, so what are you waiting for? Shopify Point of Sale will help you grow your company like never before. To have one of our experts assist you in setting up a Shopify POS, please click the link below.